Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting to the game files so you can replace the music safely. Open your Geometry-install folder. Once done, navigate to the Resources or Assets directory where audio lives. Make a copy of the original menu music file and store it somewhere safe, because if something goes wrong, you can restore it. This backup step prevents corruption and saves you time. Now prepare your replacement audio file in the correct format so you can begin swapping files. Next, you prepare the replacement so the game accepts it. Use an audio editor to convert your track to the correct format, usually OGG or WAV, and make sure the sample rate, bit depth, and channels match the original, for instance 44. 1K HZ stereo. Once converted, rename the new file exactly to the original menu music file name. The game looks for that exact name. This precision prevents the engine from skipping your track and ensures smooth playback. Finally, you replace the file and verify the change. Close Geometry-fully, paste your new file into the Resources folder overriding the original, and then launch the game. Listen to the main menu to confirm the new track plays. Make sure volume and in-game audio settings are correct. If it fails, restore your backup, recheck file name spelling, file format, sample rate, and file system permissions, because incorrect naming or unsupported encoding is the most common issue, and fixing those usually solves the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.